Beanstack is a service that helps encourage reading, especially for children. By logging the number of pages read, the time it takes, and the number of books finished, you get a comprehensive view on how reading skills are improving. Reading programs help you set goals, and badges can be earned for certain milestones, incentivizing younger readers to read even more. Book recommendations make it easy to find something for your child to read. Best of all, Beanstack isn't limited to a web browser. You can track your reading progress anytime, anywhere with the Beanstack Tracker app. So don't waste another minute. Start using Beanstack today. Click I am registering myself. If you want to create an account for a child, click I am an adult registering a child. For a child's account, enter the adult information for you and enter the reader's information for the child. When you are finished, click the box to opt in or out of weekly book recommendations and then click Next. Select a reading challenge and then click Next. If you want to add another child to the account, click Yes. If not, click No. You can always add another child later. If you want to create your own account, click Yes. If not, click No. When creating your own account, enter your information and then click Next. You will then have the option to add another adult. To add another account at a later time, click the Account button and then click Add a Reader. Now you, a child, or the whole family can track reading progress.